Hey guys, gonna take you on a quick walk around on my 1965 Chevy C10 Stepside shortbed pickup truck. It's a really awesome original truck. Wanted to preserve that, so it's got the Patina style to it. Did some cool upgrades to it. Did the white walls, blacked out the bumpers, and some other little goodies to make it reliable and a good street driver, as well as a good highway driver. So this is definitely a unique truck. Something about that blue door just kind of makes it pop, and that was not done by me. When I bought the truck, and originally that blue door was on it, so I did buy it from the original family. The truck was off the road since I'd say the early 80s, so I got it, restored it, and did all the important and hard work that needed to be done to make it a reliable driver. Show you guys the interior. Nothing special, just preserved to original. There is a seat cover that I put on. Underneath that seat cover is the original upholstery, and then there is a carpet floor mat under it. Underneath that carpet floor mat is the original rubber floor mat that came with these trucks originally. So just again, preserved to original. See if I can show you guys up here. White wall makes a cool little difference. See, get inside of this wheel well. No rust there. It's a rust-free frame. It's really well intact, which you hardly see. There is some rust in these cab corners, and I'll show you this side and the other side. And I'll show you underneath, if we can get a good shot as best as possible. So that was really exciting to see that this truck wasn't rusted out. Again, there are some rust areas. I'll show you on this end. Which I think they call that the rocker sill. But the floors, the floorboard, the firewall, all of that's in excellent shape. Again, that blue door just kind of makes this truck a little bit different. Really cool. Let me see if I can show you guys underneath the hood here. Original inline 6 250. It's got a cam to it, so it sounds really cool. 3 on the tree, manual transmission. Did some upgrades to it. 1-wire alternator, new brake master cylinder, hoses, fuel pump, all the things that we needed to do to make it reliable. So again, this is a highway driver, not afraid to put it on the road. Start it up and let you guys hear it. Hear it for yourselves. So there it is, guys. 1965 Chevy C10. You guys are interested, numbers in the description. Hope that answers all your questions.